I am Daniel Novak. I work in Airbus France in Toulouse. I was leading the first Domino project, Domino X, and I am currently working since on a project for the European defense. The future Earth observation constellations will be more complex, more heterogeneous. We'll have optical and radar and hyperspectral and many kinds of satellites. And so that's led us to this conclusion that we have to agree on how we cut up the ground segment for observation missions. And then it will be much more easy to put things together. It's maybe a new way to think, but yeah, a new way to do, a new way to collaborate, focusing really on the value added. So obviously the first, let's say, 2 years was, let's say, inception, where we had to define, okay, how we want to do things. Now we're maybe around 3-4 years into it. And yes, I can say there are some dominoes. There are some companies who already are domino compliant or who are selling systems that include dominoes in themselves. So yeah, and then the more we engage with companies, the more they're interested. So, and they understand the purpose, and they understand that this is so far the best answer we have for them. So we see a dynamic. From the system integrator perspective, there's two things. One is the speed of integration, because everybody agrees how things should plug in together. Another advantage from the system integrator perspective is that it's much easier to go pick and choose the best product for one domino and get the best of all worlds and put them together more easily. Whereas until today it was a bit more like spaghetti, or like, you know, difficult to split things and get really the best products all together. We see that some clients around the world, many clients are kind of emancipating in the sense that they want to do things, more and more things in their countries, but they cannot always do everything themselves. So in an ideal world, there would be maybe a official domino stamp or a certificate, you know, saying that a company with its product A and B are domino compliant. And then it's easier to tell them that, okay, this or that piece can be done in their country and that it can be easily integrated in the final system. People underestimate the power of these dominoes because it sounds quite an engineering, you know, topic, or very kind of a technical thing, but it can have really a profound impact on the value that is brought in the end to end customers.